Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to learn how to show the inputted data of incoming or outgoing payment entry. Incoming or outgoing payment entry is a program from SystemEver to gather information from all payments and funds received regardless of the payment method. On top of the program, there is toolbar panel. This inquiry is to show the data. Save button to save the changes, and journal entry detail to jump to journal entry detail program. The journal entry on the right side of the program will give you the insight from the selected transaction in accordance with the payment type. You can choose based on the category of cash, bank account, not payable, not receivable, or other. To begin, let's start from the inquiry condition. The important field here is the I/O payment due date range. These dates are different from accounting date, as it depends on the payment terms. Enter the accounting date range if it's more familiar with you. Choose one of the I/O payment method drop-down list. Either it's cash payment, cash collecting, not payment, not collecting, deposit payment, deposit collecting, or purchase card. Choose the sort of the transactions, either from bank, customer, or vendor. Employee dimension will sort based on the employee's name, or choose based on the entry department. Click here if sub-department is included. Click here if it includes the whole transactions. Click Inquiry when all condition is set. To edit the data, select the transaction and enter the right data information. For example, we enter the settlement credit account and click Save. If we select one of the transactions and click Journal Entry Detail, the system will bring you to Journal Entry Automatic Journal. It will give you the information of the original journal entry. Or, to clear the transaction, select one of the transactions and click the right side Journal Entry program. Enter the journal accordingly, including the customer or vendor. This Journal Entry Automatic Journal will also show you the original journal entry number. Click Save when all is set. You know your data is saved when you have journal entry number. And that's the final of incoming or outgoing payment entry. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.